Have you ever wondered who looks after Darwin?
Who looks after our parks and ovals?
Yeah, who makes sure the roads in our neighbourhood work?
Who organises for the rubbish and the recycling to be picked up?
Who manages all the libraries?
Who provides the swimming pools?
And who helps us have fun and stay active?
Well, the answer is local government.
What's local government?
Well, that's a great question. Local government, otherwise known as council, provides services and places to make sure Darwin is a more enjoyable place. They also listen to people's ideas and make our community even better.
Huh?
Look at it this way. Running Australia is a big job, so there are 3 tiers of government: federal, state and territory, and local governments. And because we are a democracy, governments are formed through elections, where voters choose who they wish to represent them. A democracy is a system where people get to decide how their country or community should be run. 3 levels of government work together to look after everyone. Federal government makes laws for the whole country and takes care of things like defence, taxes and migration. State or territory government makes laws for their own state or territory and looks after things like schools, emergency services, hospitals, electricity and water. Local government is the government that is closest to you. They look after things like libraries, pools, parks, rubbish and recycling, neighbourhood streets, public art and community events and activities.
City of Darwin is the local government for more than 85,000 people in the Darwin area. City of Darwin has a huge range of facilities and services that benefit you and your community. Did you know they look after sports fields, parks, playgrounds, exercise stations, roads, footpaths and walkways, tennis and basketball courts, a skate park, obstacle course and velodrome, libraries, community centres, streetlights, the amphitheatre and Darwin Entertainment Centre, keeps an eye on more than 10,000 cats and dogs. And that's not even everything.
Wow, that sounds like a lot to manage.
Yeah, they also run awesome programs that we can get involved in.
Have you seen the fun bus in your local park? That's City of Darwin's mobile playgroup that brings toys and fun games to babies and kids all over Darwin. But wait, there's more. Fun in the Parks is another awesome program for the bigger kids. During the school holidays, they have games, activities, and even workshops where you can learn cool stuff like woodworking. City of Darwin has youth programs too, such as YAC, the Youth Advisory Committee, where young people develop their leadership skills and provide advice to council. There's also the Launch program, which runs activities year-round for young people aged 12 to 25.
I'm signing up for all of them. What else?
Did you know there's more to the City of Darwin's libraries than what's on the shelves? The libraries have a huge collection of books, magazines, and digital resources. They have workshops, competitions, book clubs, and events. They have free Wi-Fi and access to iPads and computers, and a whole range of new technologies, including a tech zone, virtual reality, and more. And they get new technology every year. So come to the library.
City of Darwin also has lots of programs to keep us happy and healthy. Have you seen the free exercise equipment in the parks? City of Darwin put them there. They also have info on safe and active routes to school, healthy lifestyle programs, and ranges to help catch runaway dogs and heaps more.
Wow, looks like City of Darwin does a lot.
Bro, you have no idea. City of Darwin has over 350 employees who look after over 40 suburbs across the more than 100 square kilometres of land. Along with the City of Darwin staff, there is the council, which is made up of the Lord Mayor and 12 councillors. They represent the community, they listen to people's ideas, and they make decisions.
Hi, my name's Sam Weston. I'm a councillor here at Darwin Council. I work for the Lions Ward. I've been here for 2 years and I love my job. Part of my role on council is I work with the other 12 councillors and we talk and discuss various issues. We meet every 3 weeks. We make pretty big decisions within the community. Part of our role is working with the community. A lot of the decisions involve schools, safety, roads, rubbish. We work together, we make a decision, we let the community know. Anytime you want to talk to a councillor, we're available for you, anyone. Very busy job, takes a lot of my time, but I do love it. And if you ever get an opportunity to jump on council, I highly recommend it.
Okay, that sounds cool, but how do I become a councillor?
Well, every 4 years we have a local government election. The City of Darwin is divided into 4 areas called wards: Chan, Richardson, Lyons and Waters. Darwin residents aged 18 and over vote in 3 councillors in their ward, and those 12 councillors form their council. The Lord Mayor is elected by everyone to be the leader of the council.
Hi, I'm Peter Stiles and I'm the Lord Mayor of Darwin. I'm excited to be here today to explain to you how the Lord Mayor works and works with council. So I'd ask you to imagine that the city of Darwin is a ship and then we're going to go on a cruise. So every ship has a captain, and the captain has a team of people around him to help make the decisions about where they're going, how much fuel they need, how much food they need, and all the services that we need to provide to you, the passenger. So it's very important to us that you're safe and secure and that you have a good time on this journey. So we do all sorts of things in council to make sure that you can have a safe journey, that you can have fun, because that's really important, and then all the things that you do on the ship, like the pool, someone's got to look after it, someone's got to pick up the rubbish, someone's got to make sure we've got enough food. So all those things are done by the City of Darwin Council. So we have a whole crew out there, same as to have a crew on a ship, that looks after you to make sure that you have a great time and you do it in a very safe manner. I want you to understand that you are 18% of the population, but you're 100% of the future. So it's important to us that we get your views so that you can have a great future. And all of us can have that future together if we work together to make sure that we live in a great community. So if you see me out and about, please don't hesitate to stop me and ask your questions, give me your views and ideas so that we can plan a better future for all of us. I really look forward to meeting you out and about in our city of Darwin.
We might not be old enough to vote yet, but we can still have a say on what the council does.
One of the ways you can do that is online and Engage Darwin, where you can give feedback on upcoming projects. You could also go to a council meeting, watch a council meeting live online, or join a council committee. They have committees for all sorts of things, like arts, accessibility and more. City of Darwin is on social media too. You can find them on Facebook or Instagram, where they post updates and information about events and community activities. The Snap Send Solve app is an easy way to report things you'd like to be fixed, such as potholes in your street or a broken swing at your favourite park. You can also email or write a letter that explains what you want fixed or improved in your community. Or you could talk to your local councillor. They love to hear from community members.
My dad always told me that council is just about rates, roads and rubbish. I can't wait to tell him about all the other things that they do.
Yeah, the most important thing to remember is that it's your council. Also, make sure that you get involved inside the programs to make the most of what City of Darwin has to offer.